Look how the thing is shining, man. Hey, yo, you know like Rihanna said, yeah? Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a... I feel like a freaking rapper. You know them rappers with like their custom chains and their custom pendants, yeah? I feel like one of those, like, guys, this is freaking insane, man. The quality is freaking next level. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's your boy TREY-STYLEZ, you know the vibes. Welcome back to another video. Alright, guys, yes, so for today's video, guys, I've got a review from a brand called Ghetluxe. I just want to say like a massive thank you to Ghetluxe for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it, man. So yeah, man, they actually went ahead and sent me a custom iced out pendant and a tennis chain to review and showcase to you guys. And they've also given me a 31% discount code, which is TREY31. I'm going to link that on the screen for you guys, yeah, and I'm also going to put it in the description box for you guys. So yeah, man, definitely make sure you guys go ahead and use my discount code, yeah, to obviously save yourself some money, man. And yeah, guys, like, I'm so freaking excited to show you guys this piece, man, because when I tell you guys, yeah, this piece is freaking sick, wicked, bad, wicked and bad. Yeah, man, as always, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the thing down below. You guys know. And yeah, man, let go. Alright, guys, yeah, so if I quickly take you guys for the Ghetluxe website, yeah, so this is the website, guys, yeah. Really nice, clean, dope layout. At the top, you guys can clearly see the Ghetluxe logo. Then you've got the different categories of the different subheadings. So you've got the best sellers, you've got new drops, you've got customs. You can get custom pendant. You've also got chains as well. You've got ice chains, you've got Cuban links, tennis chains, rope chains, like fam. There's bare options, man. Do you know what I mean? And you've also got pendants there, bracelets, moissanite, women's section as well. And that's what I really do love about Ghetluxe here, is that they cater for women, because it's not just only for men. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Like, if you guys have like a girlfriend or like a wife, sister, you guys can also shop there for them as well. Do you know what I mean? So I feel like I really do like the fact that it is like a unisex shop. You've also got watches and you've also got rings and earrings. And yeah, guys, overall, yeah, I feel like the website's got a really clean, dope, sick layout. Then if you scroll down to the bottom as well, you've also got their Instagram page as well. So obviously you can see how different people would style like different chains and stuff like that. Like, look at that. That looks sick. Hopefully soon, yeah, that's gonna be me on their Instagram. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Alright, guys, so this is the box that it comes in here. So you've got like a nice sturdy white box. Guys, when I tell you, yeah, this packaging feels so freaking sick, man. Like, guys, this feel like freaking luxury. Like, the box is so freaking dope. Like, just look at it, man. I really do love how like you've got like the Ghetluxe logo in gold on the front, and like it just feel like freaking like luxury. Like, this feel like, you know them ones when you open like a designer item, yeah? That's what this feels like. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Like, I love when a brand go all out with their packaging. I feel like the packaging is freaking wicked, man. If we just go ahead and just open this box here. So when you first open the box, the first thing that you guys see is the Ghetluxe, kind of like this like duster bag. Basically, you can use this to put like your jewelry in. So like your chain, your necklace, your bracelet. Nice leather bag, yeah. Good quality material. Drawstring, and yeah, just put your jewelry in there, boom, you're good to go, man. Love that. Then the next thing that we've got is the Ghetluxe authenticity card. So it's black and gold, yeah. Really sick design. So it says here, this certificate guarantees that you have purchased an authentic Ghetluxe piece that was inspected before you receive it. They've got their socials, their Instagram, their TikTok, their YouTube on there. And then you can also get 25% off your next order with the code GET25. So yeah, man, if you guys order from them, then you get 25% off your next order. So yeah, man, so the first thing that they sent me is this custom pendant with my name. So TREY. So this is called the Ice Trap Letter Custom Pendant. So this is in gold, yeah. On the website, you can also get it in silver. And then you can also get it in gold and silver mixed together, which I feel is like really sick. But me personally, I opted for the gold version because I haven't really got that many gold chains, you know what I mean? So I feel like I wanted more gold jewelry in my collection. Guys, when I tell you guys, yeah, this shit looks so freaking good. Like, guys, that is so freaking dope. Like, look how sick that looks, man. Look at the freaking shine. Like, the quality is freaking amazing. So this is custom here, so you guys can choose how many letters you guys want on the pendant. So you guys can have any 9 letters on the chain because the limit is 9. And this is what the back of it looks like. Yeah, guys, I'm so freaking in love with this, man. Like, this is so freaking sick. And also to go with the pendant, yeah, they've also sent me a 5mm tennis chain as well. On the website, yeah, you guys can also get this in silver. Obviously, I opted for the gold option, but you guys can choose whatever color you guys want. You guys can get the length in a 16-inch, 18-inch, 20-inch, 22-inch, and also a 24-inch as well. Me personally, I went for a 22-inch, but I feel like looking back here, I feel like I should have went for a 20-inch just because the 22-inch, I feel like it's like a little bit long on my neck. But anyways, apart from that, yeah, I feel like it's so freaking dope, guys. Like, this is freaking sick. Like, look how the thing is shining, man. Hey, yo, you know like Rihanna said, yeah? Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a hey, yo guys, this is freaking shining, man. Like guys, you guys definitely need to check them out, man. Altogether, yeah guys, this is the piece. Like guys, look at that. Like, are you guys seeing this? Like guys, look how freaking sick that looks, man. Like look how the thing is shining. Like that is glistening. Like guys, this looks so freaking sick. Like that looks so dope. I feel like a freaking rapper. You know them rappers with like their custom chains and their custom pendants, yeah? I feel like one of those. Like guys, this is freaking insane, man. The quality is freaking next level. And also as well, yeah guys, this would make like a really good gift as well. So like say for example, if it's someone's birthday, wedding, anniversary, yeah, you guys could gift them like a iced out pendant with maybe like their name on it. Like that would literally be the freaking perfect gift, man. That's just like an idea of what you guys could actually do with something like this. So yeah man, definitely make sure you guys go ahead and use my 31% discount code, which is TREY31. You guys can save yourself some money, man. Definitely make sure you guys go check them out. Alright guys, yeah, so obviously you guys know my name is TREY-STYLEZ, yeah, so basically what I've done here, I've basically put together a quick little outfit just to give you guys some styling inspiration or styling ideas of how you could possibly style your iced out pendant. Basically for the outfit, yeah, because the chain is gold, I kind of wanted to mimic that within the outfit as well. So basically, yeah, I've got a two-piece set, so I've got the vest top, and then I've also got the bottoms to match as well, and it's kind of like this like camo color, and then it's also got like little hints of like kind of like a goldish color in there as well. Like guys, I feel like this goes sick with the freaking chain, man. And I've basically got like a white tee, white Air Forces, some gold shades as well to complement the chain. And guys, I feel like this outfit is freaking wicked, man. Gold accessories, I feel like this look is freaking wicked. Therefore, let me know what you guys are saying about the look in the comment section down below. Alright guys, yeah, so that was the end of the video, guys. Yeah, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys like it. Once again, I just want to say like a massive thank you to Ghetluxe for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it, man. Therefore, let me know what you guys are saying about the pendant in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts, man. And therefore, make sure you guys use my 31% discount code, which is TREY31. Again, it's going to be on the screen and it's also going to be in the description box for you guys as well. So therefore, make sure you guys use my code and save yourself some money, man. And yeah, man, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did make it this far, as always, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You guys know the vibe. And yeah, man, I'll see you in my next video. I'm gone.